What are you gonna do, Jared? Huh? You gonna buddy fuck me? Because that's what you do to your buddies now, isn't it?
Get out. Oh, Quart. No. That's too much sun.
Oh my God. This is Quart?
Richard.
This is who you're walking away for?
Richard, do not.
She's your new little code girlfriend?
Don't.
This,
Don't.
This googly-eyed,
No.
drinking...
No.
Oh my God. Oh, okay. Look, I'm sorry.
No.
All right.
I ought to knock your teeth out, you bitch-made motherfucker.
I didn't mean it, okay?
I was state-raised. You think I'm scared to catch a case on some bullshit?
I'm sorry, Jared. I didn't mean it, okay? I'm sorry, Quart. I didn't mean it.
You keep her name out of your skink, you little mouth. You little bitch!
Hey, this is a place of business.
Oh my God. Don't shoot me. Jared! Jared!
Don't let